Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Starry Projector. This should be cool to look at. I haven't seen one of these yet. You got the Starry images, music, party, sound, brightness, TF. That's what it looks like. Different modes right there. You got the green smoke, I think. That's pretty cool. And here we go. Sky lamp, red and green. Starry pattern. Sky color, red, green, blue, white. Play mode, sleep. Auto, sound, flash. Music modes, Bluetooth, TF. Scan system, precise motor, control, manual, remote. Oh, right there's the company, so I mean, I'll have the links. You guys can just click on it, add it to your cart, check out. They'll ship this to you fast. Thank you guys for watching today. We're gonna do a little demo, see how this looks. Still bright out, but we're gonna take this downstairs where it's darkness. We got the easy manual. We got USB right here. We got these. There we go. Remote. Oh, that's pretty cool looking. Sound mode, flash mode. There's a lot of different modes here. You could speed it up, motor speed, brightness. Down here is the brightness, and then the speed of the motor. That's pretty cool. Battery right there. And tab. Oh, we got one of these. Just like a normal cell phone one. Yeah, I'm going downstairs, so I definitely got some outlets. Plug this in. And here she is, guys. Starry lamp. Kind of looks like a crystal ball, like a disco ball. Probably lights project off of that or something. Like I said, I never did one of these. There's a speaker. Whoa. We got the DC where you plug it in. TF slot. Sound, audio. Play mode. Mode, LED mode. Alright, this is going to be cool. But we could do it in here for a second. But right now it's still daylight, but we'll see how it looks mid-afternoon. It's like 5 p.m. here, I think. Maybe 4, somewhere around there. All the time feels the same now. Just the days are different. Here we go. Alright. So USB, you could use one of those power chargers, portable battery chargers, brick portables, whatever they're called. So many different names for those. Adapters for your charger. Yeah, so we're gonna plug this in here. I'm gonna plug the Alexa. See, it didn't disconnect it for a second. And now we're gonna go. Oh, sorry, Alexa. She is disconnected. Gotta plug her in. Right here. Whoa. Whoa.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Got nothing to pair it with right now. Whoa. Holy moly. I am going to go downstairs. It's totally more darker. You can see the motions. The clouds or the sky. Yeah, it's pretty cool. You can use it like a kid's lamp in their room. Or even your gaming room, arcade room, man cave. A little escape pad you have to relax. Yeah, this is pretty peaceful. Pretty bright. Look at the colors. Yeah, we're definitely taking this downstairs. And if you have those RGB strips, look really nice. Wow, that's pretty cool. See it? Flashes there. Alright guys, we're gonna go downstairs. YouTube magic. Alrighty guys, we are downstairs. We got it plugged in. It is pretty cool looking. It's getting darker now, so there's some light out, but looks really good with the RGBs. Right there. Let me shut that light off. See it a little bit more. Here we go. Like I said, you could either use a wall socket or you could plug it with the portable charger. It'll work perfectly also. But this is really cool. And then the box is right there. It is Bluetooth, so you could just program your music on your phone, your iPad, iPod, whatever you guys use to stream your music with. So let me see if I could get it. Uh-oh. Here we go. Alright, we got it blue. So that's what that does. There's so many different settings you can switch. You got the remote. We'll look up. There's a strobe. It's like a thunderstorm coming. That's pretty sweet. And there's that. Nap mode. And you can switch it to that. Okay, have it normal. Say like that. Blue smoke. But it's cloud, so. But, let me see. There's that one. But if you have a couple, you could definitely fill up your whole basement or your gaming room, man cave. You could do the lasers. Shut them off. That one. You could just have it all laser. Like I said, it does play music through the speakers. I just don't want to get it copyrighted. Uh-oh. Almost there, guys. But yeah, this thing is really cool. Shut up on me. Come on. Don't be shy. I'm not sure what button I pressed. Oh. There we go. You have that one. Just that. You could change the speed of the ball. Not sure what happened here. I'll just reset it. So you could just pop it in, pop it out. There we go.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
So that's how it looks, guys. It's pretty bright. Change of mode. There we go. Kind of like underwater. Give that one. Purple. Flames, green. There we go. Then you can change the speed. See, it's getting faster. There we go. You can see it down here. So I have the link down below. Check them out. And you guys be safe. Have a good night. See you pretty soon.